This is another landscape painting, this time of a place called Rame Head in Cornwall, also Ram Head, creating a connection in my head with Aries. When I looked at the picture afterwards of like an aerial view of the landscape, I actually saw that this shape that looks to me a bit like a leaf actually does look a bit like the landscape. And then this sort of creamy pinky colour around the edges would be the rocks, and beyond that would be the sea, which is not included here. So the area was used as a fort, and then there was a church built on there, which is called St Michael's, first licensed for mass in 1397. This actually looks like a leaf to me. I wonder if that's like a sycamore leaf, which has come up before in relation to this idea of like a mother tree and tree worship. There are like different faces and things within that leaf, such as over here, I kind of see like a tall fox-like creature on the right. To the left of them, it's like someone's holding their head in their hands, but I don't know if they're like putting on a separate like ram's head perhaps. It's like a creamy coloured head there. I'm wondering if that's a pun on this idea of a headland as well. And there are some different symbols all around the edges. It almost looks like there's someone sat down in those rocks with their feet out. So right at the very bottom, on the right hand side, it looks like the letter H, or it could possibly be an M with a T behind it, like a cross. And I kind of see these figures as a bit more spectrally, but I can see the odd bird there, the odd sort of human-shaped head. And I kind of almost see a figure with robes here on the left, and it looks almost like they're holding up a baby and then talking to somebody else. Baby actually looks like it's holding a little doll. And then here I do see like a bishop's mitre type hat, which I guess would make sense with the chapel being there. But then to the right of them, there's like this disembodied head. You can see a bit more clearly. It's got horns, which is quite funny. It's a joke about something to do with the bishop and the horny head. And again, there's some sort of random symbols and stuff in that sort of pinky grey energy, which I think is the rocks. Sort of about halfway down, I kind of see like a stick figure that's a bit like a cockerel. And then on the right hand side in that rock energy, I kind of see a bird on the right hand side and then this grey object next to it. I'm not sure what that is. So I really like this one. I kind of think there's a real essence of nature within that idea of the leaf. When I actually visited there, it was quite windy and wet and we got lost. So I do intend to go back at some point, maybe take my paints with me. Thanks for listening, and please like and subscribe.